Leo Horoscope, May 1st to 7th, 2023. Love, your critical and dissatisfied attitude may be hindering your romantic relationship, as you tend to be too harsh with your partner. Try to be more cautious and understanding, especially on days when you feel angry or frustrated, such as Wednesday and Friday. Instead, use this time to reach out to loved ones who may need your support, even if they live far away. It's important to remember that relationships take time and effort to nurture, and impatience can lead to unnecessary tension. Keep your heart open and be willing to compromise to find solutions that work for both you and your partner. Work, after feeling like giving up a few weeks ago, you're now eager to obtain advantages and surprises in your professional life. However, you may still feel like something important hasn't been recognized, and there may be doubts about collaborations in the coming months. If you need to sign an agreement, you may want more guarantees and prefer not to work with unfriendly or unsupportive people. But sometimes, this may not be possible, and it's important to be accommodating and set aside your pride. With the new transit of Jupiter, especially after the 16th, tensions may still be present, but changes will happen. You'll feel the need to modify your situation, and there's a possibility that an event towards the end of the month could improve many unsatisfactory situations. It's important to be careful with finances, especially during this period of change. Health, while you're typically a vital and energetic person, there may be some days when you feel lethargic and lacking in energy, such as Wednesday and Friday. It's important not to tire yourself out excessively, as the dissonance of the Sun and Mercury can overexcite your nervous system and make you vulnerable to stress. Take time to rest and recharge, and consider incorporating stress-reducing activities such as meditation or yoga into your routine. Remember that taking care of your mental and physical health is essential for overall well-being.